Welcome to our tutorial on how to enter a promo code on Betmgm in 2025. Let's dive into the exciting promotional offers available to you. Using a promo code on Betmgm can unlock exclusive bonuses, free bets, and a head start on your gaming experience. First, let's create your Betmgm account. Head over to their website and click Sign Up. Fill in the necessary details and make sure to have your promo code handy. You might be wondering where to find the latest Betmgm promo code for 2025. Check the official Betmgm website or trusted affiliate partners for the most up-to-date codes. When prompted, enter your promo code before finalizing your account sign up. Make sure there are no typos. After signing up, check your account to verify that the promo code has been applied. Look for a confirmation message or a bonus in your account details. Don't miss out on exclusive bonuses that come with your promo code. These can significantly enhance your betting experience. Sometimes users might face issues when entering promo codes. Common problems include entering an expired code or typos, so double-check your entry. Now that you know how to navigate promo codes on Betmgm, don't miss out. Take advantage of these offers and happy betting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and the latest updates on Betmgm and beyond.